Yokohama is one of Japan's biggest port cities and was one of the first that opened for foreign trade in 1859. Located only half an hour away from Tokyo by train, the city is also known for its beautiful parks, attractive museums, and for having one of the world's largest Chinatowns. As with other major Japanese cities, public transportation is very efficient. Yokohama Station is the main public transportation hub, and visitors can take advantage of its convenient bus, train, or subway systems. The buses travel through several routes around the city. One convenient option is by using the hop-on, hop-off sightseeing bus, which stops at most of the major sightseeing attractions of the city. Similarly, the train and subway systems have numerous lines that one can take to conveniently get to most of the tourist attractions. Here are some of the top places to visit during your trip to Yokohama. Located at the heart of the city, Yokohama's Chinatown is the largest in Japan, filled with hundreds of shops and restaurants offering authentic Chinese goods and delicious food options. This Chinatown dates back to 1859, when many Chinese traders arrived after the port of Yokohama first opened for foreign trade. The area is vibrant and busy year-round and is a popular food spot with both locals and tourists. There are numerous ways to get to Chinatown from Yokohama Station. One option is to take the train by heading over to the Minato Mirai line. Catch the train at Platform 1 and get off at Nihon Odori Station. From here, Chinatown is a quick 7 to 10 minute walk. Yokohama Red Brick Warehouse was formerly the city's customs inspection warehouse in the early 1900s, during the time when Japan initially opened its ports for foreign trade. This historic site now stands as a mall complex filled with many shops and restaurants, as well as function halls for concerts or exhibitions. Getting to the Yokohama Red Brick Warehouse is quite easy. Similar to Chinatown, one option is to catch the Minato Mirai line at Yokohama Station. Take the train at Platform 1 and get off at Nihon Odori Station. From here, the Red Brick Warehouse is about a 10-minute walk. For a more detailed look at the Yokohama Red Brick Warehouse, check out our separate shopping guide video by clicking the link on the description box below. The Cup Noodles Museum is a fun, interactive experience where one can join several activities and also learn more about the history of this popular comfort food. For a minimal fee, visitors can also enjoy the opportunity to create their very own cup noodles package and customized instant noodles by choosing from 4 varieties of soup flavor and 12 toppings. The Cup Noodles Museum is only a few minutes walk from the Yokohama Red Brick Warehouse. Again, one option you can consider is taking the Minato Mirai line at Yokohama Station and getting off at Nihon Odori Station. Sankeien is a beautiful and charming Japanese garden located south of Yokohama. The garden, which opened to the public in 1906, has an area of approximately 175,000 square meters. The property was severely damaged during World War II and was rebuilt and restored in 1958. The Japanese government designated the garden as a place of scenic beauty in 2007. To get to Sankeien Garden from Yokohama Station, one option is to take the bus. Follow the signs to the bus terminal, then proceed to Platform 2. From here, there are several buses, such as numbers 8 and 168, that stop near Sankeien Garden. Get off at Sankeien Iriguchi bus stop. From here, the garden is about a 5-minute walk. On weekends and holidays, you can catch the Burari Sankeien bus, which stops directly at Sankeien Garden. The Kirin factory in Yokohama offers visitors a tour of its facilities, along with insightful presentations on the company's remarkable beginnings and brewing processes. The tours are normally conducted in Japanese, but an English handout is available so non-Japanese speakers are still able to follow. Video presentations also have English subtitles. One of the main highlights of the tour is the beer tasting session, where visitors will have the opportunity to sample some of Kirin's products. Advance reservation for the tour is a must. To reserve a slot, click the link in the description box below. There are numerous ways to get to the Kirin Brewery from Yokohama Station. One option is to take the train by heading over to the Keikyu line. Take the local train at Platform 2. Get off at Namamugi Station and take the east exit. From here, the Kirin factory is about a 10 to 12 minute walk. We hope you enjoyed this travel guide and we'll see you on the next video.